Welcome, here I've got Vivo V21 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit and focus on photo category. At the third position here we have framing lines option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. These are our grid lines. Let me keep them turned on, and when we move back to the camera preview, now we have these lines here. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos, and of course when we don't need them we have to move back to right corner settings, slide down to photo category and tap to framing lines to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.